Good day everyone. For today's video, we will be talking about fieldwork number 3, area determination of polygonal field using tape. And our objective for today is to develop and acquire the skills of determining the area of a polygon in the field using tape by dividing the area into triangles. The instruments and accessories that we will be using are range poles, measuring tape, markers, chalk or marking pins, and plumb bobs. In this fieldwork, we will be doing 3 procedures. The first one is area determination by base and altitude, next is area determination by 2 sides and an included angle, and last is area determination by Heron's formula.
The first procedure we will do is for area determination by base and altitude. In this procedure, the instructor will assign 5 points in a field that would then be marked by students with marking pins or chalk. Then marked points will be labeled as A, B, C, D, and E and will serve as the corners of the polygon. Then the chief of party will divide the polygon into 3 triangles. He would make sure that the divisions he made are easily measured. Then these triangles would be labeled A1, A2, and A3. With the first triangle chosen, measure its base using tape and its altitude. The determination of the altitude is part of taping operation, which will be discussed by the instructor. The measured length of the base and altitude will be recorded on table 3.1, area determination by base and altitude. And to get the area of the triangle, use this formula. For triangle A2 and A3 of the polygon, repeat the steps done. To complete the table, use the formula to determine the whole area of the polygon.
Second procedure is for area determination by 2 sides and included angle. In this procedure, the field is the same as in the first procedure. The method that will be used is determination by base and altitude, but the designation on the corners will be changed. These mark points will be labeled as F, G, H, I, and J. Then the polygon will be divided into 3 triangles. These triangles would be labeled A1, A2, and A3. Then measure any 2 sides of the first triangle chosen and record these measurements as sides A and B. The measured angle between sides A and B will be recorded on table 3.2, area determination by 2 sides and an included angle. And to get the triangle, divide the product of side A, side B, and sine included angle to 1/2. For the remaining triangles, repeat the steps done on the first one. Lastly, to determine the area of the polygon, get the summation of the 3 triangles A1, A2, and A3.
In performing area determination by Heron's formula, the same field described in the first procedure will be used, but instead of using A, B, C, D, and E, use K, L, M, N, and O as designation. For the second step, divide the polygon into 3 triangles. Choose the first triangle to be measured. Record the measurements of the sides of the first triangle as A, B, and C on table 3.3. Determine the semi-perimeter of the first triangle by multiplying the perimeter of the triangle by 1/2. To determine the area of the triangle marked as equation 4, substitute the values of the semi-perimeter, side A, side B, and side C to equation 4 or the Heron's formula. For the last step, repeat steps 3 and 4 for the second and third triangles of the polygon, then take the summation of areas A1, A2, and A3 to calculate for the whole area of the polygon.